What time does court start, ma'am?
Court started at 8:45. I went to the wrong place. I do apologize for that. That is definitely my,
Please be on text time.
yes, sir.
Ma'am, you are charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you. Oh my Lord, this case is 1,600 days old?
I forgot.
Stop.
Sorry.
You're in enough as it is. Now, I am not happy with you, ma'am. Can you read to me what happened, please?
Sure. On February 1st, 2020, officers were dispatched to a disturbance at an apartment in Harris County. When they arrived on scene, they were met by the defendant, who confirmed that a disturbance had taken place. Officers asked her to stand by with other officers while they made contact with the reportee, who was identified as Mr. Ortiz. The officers observed a small amount of blood coming from the bridge of his nose and a small amount of blood on his teeth. He advised that he lived at the location with the defendant, who identified herself as his girlfriend. Ortiz advised that he came home from the apartment at approximately 3 a.m, got to his bed with the defendant, and there was no disturbance or argument when he got to the bed. He advised that his presence in the bed was known, and it seemed as if his presence was comforting to Ms. Martinez. Approximately 15 minutes prior to calling the police, Ortiz was awoken by Martinez screaming at him to get out of her bed. She began to lift up his body and began to strike him in the face with her hand. Ortiz described these strikes as punches and advised he did feel pain after getting out of the bed. And then the two of them got into a verbal altercation, which resulted in Ms. Martinez throwing water on Mr. Ortiz. He stated that he believed this to be an attempt to wash the blood off his face. Due to the incident, he contacted 911. The defendant stated that she pushed Mr. Ortiz in an attempt to get him out of her bed and that she might have slapped him.
And I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. It would behoove you to get a lawyer as soon as possible. I will, at the next setting, set your case for trial. I'm now also ordering you today, you will get a GPS monitor that you will be required to pay for, ma'am. If you ever take off on me again, I will